Enjoy these creamy crab-filled cups when making my grandmother's crab puffs recipe. Start by cutting rounds from your bread slices. You want to make sure to cut as big of a round as possible from the slice and keeping the trimmings for breadcrumbs. Now with your hands or rolling pin, flatten out the pieces of bread and then right away brush them with melted butter before placing them gently inside of the muffin tin. Then toast them in the oven for 5 minutes. To make the filling, make a roux with melted butter and flour, whisk until smooth, and then add in your milk. Whisk it in, and then cook until the sauce thickens. Take the pan off the heat, and add your grated cheese, your diced onions, and then your Worcestershire sauce, fresh parsley, Dijon mustard, grated lemon, and finally your crab meat. Stir everything together to combine, and then fill your toasted bread cups. Place back into the oven until golden brown, and look at this ooey gooey creamy crab filling. Thanks for watching. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.